Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to describe some ways in which you can promote yourself or your business on Instagram using short clips of video. If you're already using Instagram, and who isn't, and other forms of social media, then you're probably well aware of the potential and power of images and videos to convey a message. Good quality photos taken by a professional or fun photos captured on your phone all have their uses. Enhanced images using apps like Lumyer add some animation and color which can capture attention. And there are many other apps which can add sparkle to video clips and otherwise improve on the basic video. However, although anyone can film a clip and upload it, the quality of those clips may not match the message you're trying to convey. If you're running any kind of business, small, medium or large, you may need a video clip that is more polished and professional. You may need something that is of high quality, with appropriate music, and which conveys the mood and message intended for your target audience. You need a clip that grabs attention and stops people from scrolling on, thereby absorbing the message you want to convey. For example, take a look at this clip coming up which advertises a dating site. As you can see, it's of sufficiently high quality, but not so long that the viewer gets bored and scrolls on before the website address is revealed. Here is another clip featuring air-to-air film footage. Take a look and consider the impact. Creating clips like this yourself with your own equipment is time-consuming and expensive. But there's another way. We at Redspan can create clips like this for you, saving you time, effort and money. It's an easy three-step process. First, you tell us what message or mood you want to convey or express. Next, we choose a video clip from a repository of thousands and add some appropriate music. And then we send you a link to a preview for your approval or changes. Once approved, we'll provide you with two files, a widescreen version suitable for websites and YouTube, and a square format ideal for Instagram and Facebook pages. All this for the very affordable price of £37, excluding VAT if you're in the UK. So for less than 40 quid you've got a marketing asset that can be used over and over again. Discounts are available for repeat orders. For example, a 6-month campaign in which you require one video clip per month. Here's another of these clips. This one is in the square format. I don't know about you, but I really like them, and whenever I use them they get lots of likes and attention. What type of footage and music would you like to see advertising your business? Contact me now on ben@redspan.com or call 01329 286 169. Let's discuss some ways in which we can advertise your business and send your message in a way that grabs and holds attention.